Two internet giants. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Spectrum, unlimited contract-free internet for peace of mind. And on the right, Cox, packed with plan variety and high upload speeds for demanding users. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's how we're going to tackle this. We've got price and value, speed and performance, flexibility in contracts, data limits, customer satisfaction, and yeah, even features for businesses. So, whether you just stream a ton, work from home, or run a company, we've got you covered. Let's kick off with price and value. Spectrum's pretty aggressive here. Lower base pricing for similar speeds, plus no extra fees for unlimited data. And hey, modem rental's in the price. But don't get me wrong, their cheapest plan isn't exactly pocket change. There's fewer of those entry-level deals. Now, if you look at Cox, you get lots of plans in all shapes and sizes, and those sweet intro promos pop up a lot. But then, bam, the higher monthly cost for the same speed, and you gotta slap on another $50 if you want unlimited data. So, Spectrum wins this round for keeping things simple and affordable, especially if you hate nickel and diming. Okay, next up, speed and performance. Spectrum delivers blazing fast starting speeds, like their base tier's easily 200 megabits per second more than Cox's starter, and they're rolling out gigabit and multi-gig plans everywhere. And honestly, unlimited data means you can stream, game, and download all day, no sweat. Only catch? If you're obsessed with uploads, Cox gives you higher upload speeds on top plans, and even symmetrical options if you go nuts with business use. But then, here's the kicker. Cox slaps you with a 1.25 terabyte data cap and overage fees. And sometimes, there's a touch more latency. So, for most of us living that binge lifestyle, Spectrum takes the cake for fast, unlimited internet. Moving on, flexibility and contracts. I love this one. Spectrum is drama-free. No annual contracts, it's month-to-month, and if you ever want to bail or upgrade, it's super chill. Only thing is, you don't get a ton of custom plan tweaking. Meanwhile, Cox gives you no contract options, but honestly, you pay extra for them. Bundle deals? Sure, but the lowest prices always lock you into 12 or 24 months. Kind of a bummer. So, if you want flexibility, it's no contest. Spectrum takes it. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Spectrum's rolling out DOCSIS 4.0 nationwide by 2026? Supposedly, that means 10 Gbps per second downloads. Fast enough to stream, like, every cat video on Earth at once. Just a fun fact to keep in mind if you're future-proofing your internet pick. Data limits. This category is literally a deal breaker for some people. Spectrum just does unlimited on every plan. I mean, how easy is that? No stress over how many times you binge watch that series. Cox gives you a pretty huge data cap, 1.25 terabytes. But seriously, if you go over, it's $10 per 50 gigs up to 100. Or, if you want unlimited for real, cough up an extra $50. Spectrum just makes it simple. Unlimited. Always. Spectrum is the clear winner here. All right, let's talk customer satisfaction. So, Spectrum scores points for keeping their pricing straightforward and not hitting you with surprise fees. Love that. But I have heard a few folks gripe about speed drops now and then. Cox, though, ranks higher in some big surveys. People seem to like their prices and support more lately, and their customer service reps get decent reviews. The catch? Those confusing contract terms can trip people up. But if you want that extra peace of mind with support, Cox comes out on top here. Now, business features. If you're a small business owner or you've got serious upload needs, listen up. Spectrum offers tons of ways to get online. Fiber, coax, hybrid, you name it. Their uptime SLA is perfection. Unlimited data, security goodies, all included. Only thing, sometimes Cox just wins if you need super fast uploads, like 2 gigabits per second symmetrical. Plus, Cox leans into business fiber, and their security focus is solid. The catch is, Cox's fiber doesn't cover as many places. For business folks, I'd say these two are kind of neck and neck, honestly. If you look at both side by side, Spectrum scores higher on price, speed, contracts, and data limits, while Cox edges out on customer satisfaction and matches on business. Visually, Spectrum just pulls ahead in most places. Pretty telling. So here's where I land. For most home users, you want unlimited data, strong value, and flexible month-to-month options? Yeah, go with Spectrum. On the other hand, if you're someone who really needs plan variety, upload speed muscle, or you've got specific business security needs, Cox is definitely worth checking out. But in 2025, if I had to pick one for most folks, Spectrum's the safer bet. If you found this showdown helpful, make sure to save it for the next time you're stuck comparing internet plans. Don't miss out on future deep dives. Catch you in the